There's a chemical symbol that is fairly new, and it's the chemical symbol capital L, and a small v. And that is the capital L and a small v is the chemical symbol for Livermorium. Livermorium. Capital Liver, liver, and morium, Morium, Livermorium. It has the atomic number of 116. How to remember Livermorium? And well, the X-Men character Wolverine. Wolverine. That's how you pronounce it. I forgot the L. Wolverine. Okay, you got the capital Wolverine. So the capital W is for tungsten. Now be careful now. Tungsten begins with the chemical element of tungsten begin with a capital T, but its chemical symbol is a capital W. Then you got O for oxygen right here. The highest part, wait, first of all, let me spell to you tungsten. Tungsten is spelled capital Tungsten, okay? For some of you who don't know how to pronounce tungsten, capital Tungsten, okay? Then you got capital O for oxygen, capital Oxygen. Now we come to capital L and a small v for Livermorium. That's what we're looking for. Then we got the capital E and a small r for erbium, capital Erbium, erbium. And then we got capital I for iodine, capital Iodine. Then we got capital N and E for neon, capital Neon, neon. So you got neon, and that's the capital N and a small e. You put this together right here. You can see it right here in the name. So you got Wolverine, and you have it right here. Okay. There you go. See, so don't forget to pronounce the L. Okay, the L and the W, the L and the V, or not. It's not a pronunciation of any word or the letter. It's just separated. Let me give you an example. Wolverine. You got it? So don't say Wolverine, but don't pronounce the L and the V. Okay, so that's why I underlined the L and the V, because you're going to capitalize the L and it's going to be a small v. Remember, in a periodic table of elements, when you have one letter to represent the element's name, that one letter becomes capitalized. We have two letters, the chemical symbol that represents our chemical name, like Livermorium. Capital L and a small v have two letters. The first one is capitalized, and the second letter is a small letter. You see here, capital E, small r, capital N, small e. Okay? That's how it works. All right? So you want to remember the capital L and a small v for Livermorium, then Wolverine, the X-Men character, would be the good one to learn it from. You got it? It's a good. The only reason why I'm using X-Men characters is because lots of people watch the movie and they can relate to the animation in the movie, the characters. They can relate to the chemical symbols that way. So I play around with chemical symbols to facilitate a way for people to remember them. You know what I'm saying? Take your time and memorize all this each and every day, and you see you get the hang of it. All right? Over and out. Have a good day. Goodbye.